Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to write ISO file on pen drive to install operating system. If you want to install a operating system, you need to write your ISO file to pen drive. So in this video, I will show you how to write Windows 10 ISO file to pen drive using Rufus software. Rufus is a very lightweight and very useful software to write ISO file on pen drive. So at first I open my browser and I search Rufus and then hit enter. And I scroll down and this is the download section. Here is the latest releases. So I click on Rufus 4.7.exe. This is the ad, so I close this. Then download is starting and download is completed. I minimize my browser and double click on rufus.exe. Click on yes. This is the Rufus software interface. So there are no device. So I put my pen drive on USB port. This is 32 GB pen drive. So from the ISO file, I select a Windows 10.iso file. So I click on select button and click on desktop and choose Windows 10 ISO and click on open button. So then I click on start button. It asks me some user experience. So I choose last one and click on OK and then click on OK again and then click on OK. So it write all ISO files to pen drive. It take few minutes. So I fast forward this process. So ISO file write is completed. So now I can use this pen drive to install Windows 10 on any laptop or desktop. That was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Rufus and how to write ISO file. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.